In today's video, I will be talking about my new veneers, why and where I got them, prices, and the whole process I had to go through. I was on Yelp looking for dentists around where I lived, and I came across Southland Dental Care in Sherman Oaks. I went in for a dental cleaning and x-rays, and they told me I needed a lot of work done on a few of my molars mostly. And I wanted to make sure they didn't just want my money, so I went to a couple other dentists to see what they said, and they pretty much said the same thing. The price for the work I had to get done wasn't cheap, so I applied for CARE credit, and I got approved to make monthly payments. So then I started thinking about veneers, and I compared prices and before and after pictures from all the dentists that I went to go see. I always said I would get veneers one day when I can afford them, but because I was approved to make monthly payments and I also got a discount to share my experience with you guys, I was able to afford them now. But just so you guys know, the other two dentists were also giving me discounts, so I didn't go with Southland only because of that. It was actually a little bit more expensive than the other dentist anyway, but I'd rather spend more for a good job. And I really like Dr. Abaian and Dr. Hanookai. They're really friendly and they make me feel really comfortable. So the reason why I wanted veneers is because my teeth were a bit too small for my mouth and my face, and they also came in a little, and the front two were shorter since I grind my teeth when I sleep. So the first thing that they did was put me to sleep to do all the other work that I had to get done, like deep cleaning and root canal, and they took out a molar and they're gonna put a crown. And while I was put to sleep, they also shaved down my teeth and added temporaries, which looked exactly like my natural teeth, except they're not very strong, so you have to be really careful what you eat, and it has to be only soft foods. I didn't listen. I ate some hard bread with some vegan cheese, and one of my temporaries broke. The day I went to fix my temporary, I chose the shade I wanted for my veneers, which is pretty white but not super white to where it looks fake. I was on temporaries for a little over 2 weeks, and then my veneers were finally ready. Putting them on was quite uncomfortable and sometimes even a little painful, to be honest. But overall it wasn't too bad. The day after that, I waxed my legs for the first time. Now that's painful. So right away, I felt like the veneers were too big. For the most part, it was because I wasn't used to them. So I waited about 2 weeks to see if I still feel the same way, and I did. So I wanted them a tiny bit shorter. So Dr. Abaian shaved them down for me just a tiny bit, and now I think they're perfect. This is the end result, and I'm super happy with it. It seemed like a long process, but it was all worth it. Porcelain veneers typically cost anywhere from like $1,000 to $2,500 each tooth. So they're very expensive, but they last about 10 to 15 years. I got 10 teeth in total. I think one of the most exciting things about dental veneers is that they don't stain, so I can drink as much coffee as I want and I won't get yellow teeth. Except I have to be careful with my bottom teeth. On my bottom teeth, I didn't get veneers, but I am getting Invisalign this week, so they can be more straight and also come out a little. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them. Also, I want to give a shout out to Leonardo Garcia, Pau Aguilar, and Ana Sanchez. Thank you guys for sharing my video on Twitter. I'm giving out shout outs on my videos from now on to all of you that share my videos on Twitter. So don't forget to follow me and share this video. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.